Hi guys, we have some little bones here for the dogs with a little bit meat. Check out how she's eating. She can't eat it, but I'm a little bit afraid.
Why?
Because it's a big bone, you know, that I don't hope she will, you know, take it in her. So, oh, do you hear that? She's like a hyena.
Cannot eat it.
She even cannot eat it.
She's not used to it.
No, it's bone with a little bit of meat. Shall we try to give the other dogs? Yeah? Yes? Here, come with me. Yes?
Of course.
So guys, one more thing. Jordan looks incredible. Jordan is getting bigger and bigger. 11 months and he looks really incredible.
Good morning, my baby.
One extra.
Are you?
I don't like raw meat. I like medium rare meat with nice salt and pepper. So guys, it's the first time. I don't hope it's you know, dangerous. I don't hope that they take it in one. But do you hear that? Come on, Jen. Come here. Come here. Come here, Jen. Come here. Why?
Look, Hennessy is still busy.
She's still busy. Hennessy's still busy, guys. That's good.
We have to close the door a little bit because otherwise it's gonna get
Oh,
cold for the
for the
puppies.
puppies.
Yeah. Don't
Yeah.
zoom in because I need to clean it up again because they had a little party again.
That's normal.
I know, so it's
Yeah.
cleaning time.
Puppies for, so they can't eat it. So guys, check out Jordan. The monster meal, check out. Jordan is something like extreme XL. So you know, check his paws. These paws are. Jordan, don't eat me, man. Don't eat me, Jordan. Yeah, you can't see how big the paws are, but you know, he has bones for days. Bigger than Magnum's paws. So guys, I want to show the puppies a bit. Oh, they had a party. Oh, they had a party, Jen. You must clean.
No,
You must clean.
I'm just putting the appointment we just made with
Okay, yes, okay.
in my phone, otherwise
Okay.
I'm gonna forget it.
Okay,
Secretary at the office, secretary at home.
okay then. So, Doan, can you say peace out? Krijg lekkers. Peace out.
Okay.
Zeg maar bye bye.
Cleaning time.
Kusje blazen. So guys, we are 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes later, and they've eat one. Hennessy did eat her bone. Magnum is still busy. Pantera is began with her second bone. Done, and Jordan is also eating his first bone, if I'm right. Like that. She did eat twice. Now guys, Tyson Magnum is taking his time, so she wants the bone. She wants Magnum's bone. She's looking if she can get it. I know her.
Close the door, it's cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Now we are really closing. Doan, peace out.
Oh my god! Oh, what's up, baby? All rats.
Okay, Doan, can you say peace out? Peace out. Anders krijgen ze niet. Peace out. Met je handen. Yeah. So, okay guys, thanks. See you guys. Bye bye.